Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a scooter spark plug. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a spark plug wrench, a new spark plug specifically designed for your scooter, and a gap gauge. It's crucial to ensure the engine is completely cool before you begin any work. This prevents accidental burns and ensures the engine components are not under thermal stress, making the process safer and easier for everyone involved. Now that you have your tools ready, let's remove the old spark plug. First, locate the spark plug cap, which is usually a rubber boot covering the top of the plug. Gently but firmly pull the cap straight off. Next, fit your spark plug wrench onto the old plug. Turn the wrench counterclockwise to loosen it. Once it's loose, you can often unscrew it by hand until it's completely free from the engine block. With the old plug out, it's time to install the new one. First, use your gap gauge to confirm the new spark plug has the correct gap setting for your scooter. Carefully hand thread the new plug into the engine. This helps prevent cross-threading, which can cause significant damage. Once it's finger tight, use your spark plug wrench to gently tighten it. Remember, do not over-tighten. A snug fit is all that's needed to ensure a good seal. Finally, let's finish up and get your scooter running smoothly. Firmly push the spark plug cap back onto the new plug until you feel or hear a click, ensuring a secure connection. Now, start your scooter to confirm everything is working correctly. Listen for a smooth idle and good acceleration. If you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Regular spark plug changes keep your scooter performing at its best, improving fuel efficiency and overall reliability for many miles to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.